Un, dos, tres.
Next up we have Soraya.
Hey, it's Soraya, the queen of healthy Latin cooking. Couple of messages in this one video. 4 months post-op from surgery on July 8th. As you can see, this is it. My hair, a different style, which is a very 80s retro type of shag, curly, natural, which is really cool, and I'm loving it. And I'm loving the results of my facial feminization. What do you think, right? So I'm very, very happy. But you know what? I really didn't come to you today to talk about my face and my surgery, because I want to talk about the last few months of doing research about a new phone. I had a Galaxy S7 Edge since the time it came out. My Galaxy is running 3G, and in January, I would not be able to use that phone anymore. So I was waiting for iPhone 13 to come out, and I was not happy with the release. As a transgender person, my face will always undergo some changes through months, maybe years. And I felt that Face ID for me, as a primary way to unlock my phone, besides a passcode, was not ideal. I just wanted a phone that had fingerprint sensor as well. And since iPhone 13 did not come out with a fingerprint sensor, I was not going to buy an iPhone. And not always on display, and making 120 hertz on the Pro and the Pro Max be like an added feature just didn't sit well with me. Even though I was so ready to get an iPhone 13, I was going to just get the mini, cinematic mode, better cameras, really looked enticing, and Starlight, the color, and it was beautiful. I came close to buying one, and I didn't, because I really wanted to wait for Samsung. I like messing around with Androids. I like the always on display of most Androids. I like the edge lighting. I like Androids. iPhones in New York City, when they first came out, if you rode the train with an iPhone, that was the most likely model phone to be stolen. I'm willing to pay for high quality, the latest. Androids to me were like approachable, accessible, affordable, and they had a lot of nice features that iPhone still doesn't have. So that's my new phone. And that's the reason why I'm doing this video. I want to talk about my new effing phone. So T-Mobile called me last week. We want to send you a free phone. It's a Revvl 5G. I'm like, okay, send it. So when I got it, it was huge. I was like, no way. I want to get a smaller phone. I want an iPhone mini. I was on my way to get a Samsung Flip 3 from Best Buy. But my Sprint account is so legacy that Best Buy could not enter my account and change it. I had to activate the Revvl, probably, whatever. So I didn't get the Flip. I was ready. I had the money right there. I was ready to spend the $750 for the 256 gigabyte. Best Buy had a special on it because the Samsung had a special to October 20th. I was like, because the Flip is so cute. I don't know. I thought it was adorable, you know? So anyway, I didn't get it. So I went home and activated this freaking huge Revvl 5. What the hell is a Revvl 5? I've activated that phone. I just got the case for it today. I am in love with this freaking phone. This phone, I don't know if you can see, has always on display. I have a screen protector on it. It's huge. I wish I had boyfriends whose parts were this big. Sorry. I'm waiting. I didn't want a phone this big. But I have to tell you, fingerprint scanner, it could do face recognition. I don't have it set up for face recognition. That's the passcode. The screen on this phone is amazing. I got Marilyn on my phone. I'm very happy. She's amazing. This phone is amazing. I could put up to 256 card on this phone. It came with 128 gigabyte. It has a notification light on the side here, the power button. If you power the phone, the light will stay on. If you have a notification, the light will blink. So it has an LED notification, which Apple iPhone does not have yet. No notch. Okay, it doesn't have cinematic mode. It doesn't have any fancy cameras. It's got cameras. I didn't think I would love this phone. I just figured, it'll be just transitional till January, February, March, when Galaxy makes its move. And I wanted to wait till Pixel just came out with their phones. I think I'm going to run this phone to the ground like I did Galaxy, the S7 Edge. I said to myself, I will use this phone until it doesn't work anymore. And it was still working. But, you know, no longer 3G and it wasn't getting security updates. What else can I say? I have my favorite music player, which is Rocket Player, which is iSyncer, which I love. I have a music library that's 90 gigabytes. I have on this phone right now 128 SD card and 128 on the phone. I love this phone. It's sad how much I love it. I activated it only so I can get a new phone, and I decided this is the new phone. And it's a beautiful, beautiful phone. Huge. I didn't want a huge, heavy phone like this, but it has split screen. Apple doesn't have it. With all of the screen real estate, I could use it for multitasking. It's just great. It looks really, really, really clear. I think this is a 120 hertz. I'm going to put the phone down. I'm just going to thank a couple of YouTubers. What is it? Max Tech, the two brothers and the sisters. They're so cool. I learned so much from you. I want to thank you. I got to get that name now.
This is Kevin here.
Kevin Breeze.
Like T-Mobile.
Tech Daily. Tech Odyssey was amazing. Jaime Rivera. I like the way he said Jaime Rivera. Jaime, you know that was my name when I was a guy. Jaime. He's so cool at Pocket Now. Fears. I love his videos. There's Darus Tech. Here's the brother, Jay Williams. I hope you're watching this. You broke down the Galaxy being as good as the iPhone 13. I went and I was running to get the Galaxy Z Flip 3. And you did a review on the Revvl 5 too. You helped put the nails to the coffin to iPhone 13. Thank you. I've been using Mac since the 90s for music production. I'm a dance music recording artist, producer, songwriter. I'm a Mac person. I always say that my MacBook Pro is bisexual. It ran Apple, Mac, and it ran Windows. Now I use my MacBook Pro solely on the Apple platform, and I have a little HP laptop which has Windows 11 now. And I work on Steinberg Cubase on Mac. I love audio on Mac. I love my Final Cut Pro videos for my cooking show on Mac. But I could not still go to iPhone. I couldn't do it. But I want to thank all the YouTubers. Jaime Rivera. I have a little crush on him. And then Mr. Who's the Boss. He's a very brilliant guy. I love his take. Tech Daily is kind of hot too. Let me tell you, I love men who are smart and techie and of course handsome. But they don't have to be really, really handsome, but just nice, kind. But I like techie guys. And all of you guys are so like smart and techie. And Jay Williams, again, I want to say thank you for your videos. Thank you for your videos. You've really helped me. I like your videos because it's really relaxed, and I can tell you're not bullshitting, and you're not saying things just say it. Maybe they sent you a product and you're doing it because they sent it to you. So I have this Revvl, and I love it. I'm sticking with the Revvl. I can't believe T-Mobile came out with this. I can't believe they sent it to me for free. It's about time because I've been a paying on-time customer with Sprint for 20 years. And it's about time I get something for free. I'm sticking with this. Anyway, until January, we'll see what happens. So, I'm Soraya. I'm the queen of healthy Latin cooking, feeling really fabulous for my surgeries. And so glad I don't have to drop any money for a new phone. And not only that, the fact is I have the money because I like paying for my phones outright. But this is my first phone with a SIM card. And it's cool. Totally gonna love that. And I love this phone, this Revvl 5G. Jay Williams, thought you were like, 5G Revvl phone? It's actually very, very good. It's a very good phone. I recommend this if you're like in transition with phones right now and you're waiting for the Samsungs in 2022. And if this is available to you for $200 for free, go with it. Go with it. So that's my take on phones. But I want to say I learned a lot from all of you watching your videos here on YouTube. I'm really grateful to be part of the YouTube community, and I hope you guys check out my videos. Subscribe, like, all that good stuff, okay? Take care.